Hi, Sudoku friends. Yes, we are back again with the second regular Sudoku. It is a medium Sudoku in this daily newspaper of Wednesday, December the 2nd. Yes, 29 days to go to the end of this year. Yes. Alright, the second Sudoku, a medium Sudoku, and this will be number 1957. Yes. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has, let me move this. This one has 26. If you compare with the Sudokus in the additional, we have 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars. The 1 star is 27, the 2 stars 26 printed digits. So this is a 2-star Sudoku. Yes. All right. So let's get started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 sixes. Let me start with 6 in this row, 6 in the second row. So the row below the third row, the only 2 places for the 6 will be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So the last column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for a 6 should be there. Now I cannot continue with the 6. Yeah, I need more information. Okay, so let me wait. Yeah, we have a 4 in this row, 4 in the second row, so on the third row, sorry, the last row, not the second row, the row below, and this is the last row. The only 3 places for the 4 should be here, or there. We see here 4, we see there 4, so no 4s in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 4 should be there. And then I cannot continue with the 4. Alright. Let me wait a little bit longer. How about the number 8 in this big square? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see there and ain't no 8 in those 3 boxes. There and ain't no 8 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 8. Should be there. And then how about, yeah, 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and the 7. We have a 3 and a 7 in this column, so no 3 and a 7 in those 2 boxes. So the 3 and a 7 goes in these 2 boxes. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. These 2 numbers are reserved for the numbers 1 and 9, 1 and 9. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Then all right. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So in the last column, only place for a 7 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, and the 9 is missing. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Then we see here a 9 in the third row, a 9 in the second row. So in the first row, only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, only 3 places for the 9 should be here, here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there, here 9, no 9 there. The only place for a 9 should be there. Then 9 in this column, 9 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only place for a 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in that row, so in the middle a row, the only place for a 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used, I can see. Yes, digit number 1. Digit number 1. How about the number 4 again? In this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers 4. We see there 4, no 4 in those 2 boxes here. 4, no 4 in this box. 1 box left for the 4. Should be there. 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row. So in the first row, only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. And all the 4s, we need a 4 here, 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So in the middle column, the only 3 places for the 4 should be here, here, or there. We see here 4, no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. The only place for 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see. Yes. This is a double check. Alright. Next number. Next number is the number. Let me see. 2 numbers left in this row. The first row for the numbers 1 and 2. We see here 2 in this big square, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Then all right. We have a pair, 3 and an 8 in this column, 3 and an 8 in the column next. So in that column, the 3 and the 8 goes in these 2 boxes, 3 and an 8 as a pair. I marked them for you so you can follow it easier. So 1 box left in this big square should be the number 2. 1 box left in this column. This should be the number 5. These 2 numbers in this big square should be the numbers 1 and 2. Yeah, I need to mark them because I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. How about those 2 numbers in this big square? Those numbers are the numbers 8 and the 5. 8 and the 5. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 8 and the 5. How about the number Yes, in this big square, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, so no 2 in those 3 boxes. There are 2, no 2 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 2. Should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the last row, so no row between. Only 2 places for the 2. Here or there, we see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. Yeah. Then we have here 3 missing numbers in the first column. Those numbers are the 1, the 3, and the 7. 137, 137. We see here 1, no 1 there. Here also 1, no 1 there. The only place for a 1 should be there. 3 and a 7 are left. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 7 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be a 2, and this should be a 1. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next. Only 3 places for the 1 should be here, here, or there. We see here 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. The only place for a 1 should be there. 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for a 1 should be here. And all the 1s are used. I can see. Yes, digit number 3. 2 numbers left in this big square. The 5 and the 7 are missing. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 5 goes here. Then. How about these 2 numbers in the third row? The 8 and the 5. 8 and the 5. 8 and the 5 are missing. We see here 5. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 8 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 8. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Then. 7 in this row. 7 in the row above. So in that row, only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. Can I finish here with the 2? Yes, 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So in the middle row, the only place for a 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used. I can see. Yes, digit number 4. Then these 2 numbers are missing in this big square for the numbers 3 and 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. How about these 2 numbers in the middle row for the numbers 8 and 7? We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next. Only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 1 number left in this row for the number 3. 1 number left in this big square for the number 8. 1 number left in this row for the number 3. 3 in this column. 3 in the middle column. So the column next. Only place for 3 should be there. The 2 boxes left in this big square for the number 6 and 5. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 5 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square, also the 6 and the 5. 6 and the 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 6 goes there. Finish in 50 minutes. All right. Great Sudoku. I like this Sudoku medium. Do you think so? A thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we will meet again in a few seconds with the third regular Sudoku. It will be a killer Sudoku, aka Sudoku mix in Japanese, a Suguru. See you later. Bye bye for now.